In this video, I will guide you on how to stream Amazon Prime Video on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your laptop or PC. Now click on the settings icon. Then go to Appearance. Now scroll down and select Advanced. Here find Hardware Acceleration option and turn that off. When prompted, click Restart to apply the changes. Next, open the web browser that you will use to watch Amazon Prime Video, such as Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots menu. From here, select Settings. Here you want to search acceleration. Find the option of Use Graphics Acceleration when available and make sure to toggle this option off. Now you want to relaunch your browser. Now open Amazon Prime Video in your browser and start playing the movie or TV show you want to stream. Switch back to Discord, join a voice channel and click on the Share Your Screen button. Close your browser window instead of your entire screen, then select the tab where Amazon Prime Video is playing. Click Go Live or Share and your stream should now start without the black screen issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.